Hey, beautiful people, it's Donna again. I'm here traveling and looking through the window and thinking of God's goodness. And I'm reminded of this beautiful song. Our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. God is truly amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you watch this far. Thank you very much for watching. Our God is indeed an awesome God. With wisdom, power, and love, our God is an awesome God.